Okay, today I am going to talk about the Cyntioa Brown story. This and the justice system that failed her. So this story is about the need to create new laws to protect sex trafficking victims. So my story is a woman by the name of Cyntioa Brown. She was a victim of sex trafficking. She was sentenced to a life in prison for murdering a man who bought her for sex at the age of 15. Prosecutors charged her with murder and robbery because when she killed him, she robbed him, also took his guns. She took them back to her, the man who was trafficking her in the first place. This man had abused her, told her she was worthless, and he basically sold her for sex. And she was underage. She was 15 when it happened. During her trial, it was never mentioned that she suffered from fetal alcohol syndrome, which could have possibly contributed to any type of mental problems or behavioral issues or anything like that. It was also never mentioned that she was a runaway and she suffered from, she had been sexually abused throughout her life. And, on the night in question, she feared for her life when she had been in the room with Johnny Allen was the person's name. When she was with him, she feared for her life. She thought that he was reaching for a gun to attack her, to shoot her. And in turn, she ended up shooting him in self-defense. When you suffer from sexual abuse and you've been trafficked, for a good amount of time of your life, you have the tendency to not trust people and to, have erratic behavior. It's seen as though she had a disability as well. She was recently granted clemency after serving 15 years in prison and after numerous arguments in the courts regarding her rights and freedom. She will be eligible for release in August of 2019. This story brought attention to many people, including some celebrities who advocated on her behalf, but it also brings awareness to the fact that the justice system failed her and that there should be more laws to protect sex trafficking victims. In many instances, women and men have been charged and convicted in various kinds of prostitution that may not be known what the actual issue is with these issue of these crimes, but these are not criminals. They are victims of human trafficking. Many states do not carry laws related to protecting the victims against being charged with prostitution, so it is very difficult to get these records expunged. So there should be more people advocating to vacate the charges once it is proved that the person is indeed a victim of sex trafficking. My question to you is, do you think the laws will ever change to protect the victim from being charged in prostitution?